Hello and welcome to Hearing Healthcare Centre. Today we're going to be showing you how to insert a receiver-in-the-canal hearing aid, otherwise known as a RIC. In terms of identifying, a receiver in the ear canal has its electronic compartments housed within and behind the ear. It has the battery, microphone and sound processor situated in a behind-the-ear unit. This is then connected to an electronic wire which passes the signal to the loudspeaker that is placed within the ear canal. These hearing aids are used for most hearing losses and are usually the best system for those looking for superior sound and features with a discreet and comfortable fit. When it comes to inserting, techniques can vary. Our favoured method of inserting a RIC hearing aid is as follows. Quick tip, use your right hand to insert your right hearing aid and vice versa. So to start off with, hold the wire of the hearing aid between your thumb and forefinger. Best practice is to hold it at the back of the receiver. Ensure the hearing aid is held with the wire of the hearing aid pointing upwards. Without twisting or rotating your wrist, bring the hearing aid back to your ear. Then, insert the receiver and dome into your ear canal. Place the concha lock in the bowl of the ear. If you don't have a concha lock, speak to your audiologist. Then, bring the hearing aid over and behind your ear. Once all parts of the hearing aid are in place, give the dome an extra push to ensure the hearing aid is securely in the ear canal. The wire should sit flush against the side of the face and be almost invisible. The hearing aid body should sit snugly behind the ear. That's just about all there is in terms of inserting a receiver-in-the-canal hearing aid. Once again, thank you very much for watching, and for more helpful audiological content, don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye for now.